Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to check how to install the newest version of Arduino IDE 2.0. We're going to check the difference between the old Arduino and the new Arduino. We're going to check what has changed in the new Arduino versus the old Arduino. So let's get started. Okay, to install the newer version of Arduino IDE 2.0 version, you have to go to Google Chrome or any other searching app, and you have to type in Arduino software for Windows 10, and then you have to click on software of Arduino, and then after that it will show you the official Arduino website over here. When you reach the website, after that there will be a bunch of options shown. You just need to click software so that you can install the newer version of Arduino IDE. And over here you can see the older versions of Arduino IDE. These are all the older versions. Okay, so let me just scroll down. And over here, as you can see, the newer version of Arduino IDE is, so there's a bunch of options which computers you can install it. So for Windows 10, Windows MIS installer, Windows zip file, which means you can install as a zip, and then you can install it. Then this is for Linux. Linux, it's a bit different to install the Arduino IDE. I think I'll make a video on how to install the new version of Arduino IDE 2.0, the new version of in the laptop Linux. And then this is for Mac. For Mac, it's pretty much the same process, I would say, for Mac users. But in today's video, I'm gonna just say I'm gonna just install the new version of Arduino IDE 2.0 in Windows 10, and we're gonna do a comparison between the old Arduino and the new Arduino. So to install it, we just need to click Window, and over here it's asking you to if you want to donate or if you just want to install. So if you want to donate, you can just donate $3, $5, $10, $25, or 50, or any other in between. Okay, but if you don't want to donate and you just want to freely install it, you can just say just install, just download, and over here this will start downloading the new Arduino IDE in your file. So this will take little bit of time. Be patient, please. After this install, I'll open it and I'll show you the differences between the old Arduino and the new Arduino. And if you guys like this video, please do like, share, and subscribe. Always as appreciated as it is. Yep, I think it's installed. So let me just open it up real quickly. Open when done. Okay, I think it's saying me to agree to a bunch of steps such as this. Let me just say I agree. Next, install. Okay, I think it's installed. Let me just click finish. Okay, let me just leave Google and check if it's installed or not. No, I think this will take some time of installation. Oh yeah, finally it's installed, I think. Looks totally different. I don't really like the color of this white, so I'm just going to change out the color, and then we'll check the differences between new Arduino and the old Arduino. So let me just go to here, go to file, preferences, and then over here, light. I think you can change. I'm gonna change it to dark. I'm a fan of Star Wars, so let's just change it to that. And also one key in difference, one difference that I immediately found out, which is that the old Arduino doesn't have this sort of a color changing sort of a thing. So let me just show you that as well. The new Arduino does allow it to change between different colors, but the old Arduino, no, it doesn't. So let me just show you that real quickly. So let me just do the same steps that I did previously. Profile, preferences. It doesn't. It just says default theme. It doesn't say anything. It doesn't allow me to change the from one color to another color, black to white, or some, in between, some color like that. So that is one difference that I found right away. It's great that they allow the user to change it according to their feel, which color they want to choose. So and also you guys, you don't need to choose the exact same color that I choose because I like black. You can choose whichever color you like most. And also there's another feature such as network. This network new sort of a tab sort of thing. I don't think so. It's there in the older, Let me check. Give me a minute. It is there, but the new Arduino is missing couple of features. I would say. I think it's missing a couple of features. I'm not too sure. I think it has the features, but some are here and there missing. But I think it's great. And they have also not made the network and settings. They have not kept the network and settings just set aside as it's very small and the people can see it. They have kept it nice and clean and bold, which is great so that people notice it. Instead of the old Arduino where they just like sort of crammed it over here near where preferences is, which will make it very hard for people to see. That is another upgrade that the Arduino ID new version did. Okay, let's just go back to settings. Okay, set it to dark. So let's check if it changes. Okay, let's just click OK. It's loading from the dark version, I think. Yep, now it looks better. This is the same type of black that I wanted. It's just like the same thing like in my Python. If you have seen my Python videos, I'll put a link in the description. Okay, let's anyways continue. Okay, so it has a lot of the somewhat same features, I would say, as the old Arduino. Okay, this is Sketchbook, I think. Yeah, this is Sketchbook. It has okay local Sketchbook, cloud Sketchbook. What is this? I've never heard of this. Cloud Sketchbook. I think this is where I've heard that this is where people like interact with each other Arduino IDE users. I think is what I heard. I think I have to sign into this. I might make another video on this. Okay, let's check the boards manager. Okay, has a bunch of board managers. There, and the board manager for the old Arduino, it is they've kept it nice and clean. It's great. I would say. Okay, the old Arduino ID, I have no idea where it is. Okay, it is all the different boards. This is all the different boards, but the old new Arduino ID has neatly organized and kept it. Okay, this is one of these differences between the old Arduino and the new Arduino. So let me just close this up and let me go to the new Arduino and check what are the other differences. I think, and they have organized a new Arduino boards manager neatly where the people can easily see it, which is great. Let me go to the library manager. Okay, this is also where I think you can download the different libraries needed to run the particular board, like Arduino ID, ESP32, or like something in between like that, or even Raspberry Pi. Okay, this is another feature that I've noticed. Like this is for debug. I think when we write any sort of code. When we write a code, it's over here it says what error is, but this thing does even better, I think. This thing shows exactly what error we have done, and it shows exactly how to fix it, I think. This is what the debug is, which is not there in the old Arduino, I would say. It's not there in the old Arduino. Let me check in tools. Um, there's nothing like that in there. Okay, let's go on to, let me check one thing. Let me go to tools and check board Arduino. Let's check if the different Arduino folders are there. Okay, let's go to tools, board. It does have it. Hmm. But it's a pretty lengthy process. See, you have to do three processes. Board, then Arduino board, instead of just two steps like older version. But it's okay, fine. They have neatly organized everything like the previous one itself, which is good, great. Okay, let's check what is this search option. I've never seen this sort of a search option in Arduino. Let's check what it is. I'm just gonna type AI, artificial intelligence. I think it's directing us to SketchUp or something like that. I think it's taking us to like a Google website where you can download study on AI. I think that's what it's doing. So going to Google Chrome and doing that, which is great. And I really like that. Old Arena Arena does not at all have that. Okay, and also one more feature that I noticed, which is that since there are no boards selected, it doesn't allow you to just directly run the code. So which is very good. This saves a lot of time, I would say. And because like if a person just let's run their code and they just leave and they forgot to connect the board to their computer, and it just says wrong and the person has not touched the computer, and that will make a problem. So it's good that Arduino has made this sort of a new feature where only if a board is connected, it will connect. So that is great, I would say. But there are some issues, such as ESP32. If you want to program Wi-Fi or like wirelessly, that does make it a little bit of problem. I think there are some ways here and there that we can do it wirelessly. This is one feature that I noticed. This is not there in the old Arduino. So if I want to just upload, I can just directly upload over here the old Arduino. It will not say like comport is no board is installed, or it will not say that. Whereas the new Arduino, it does say that, which is great. It has all sort of verify, upload, all these options are there. This is great, good only. Okay. Okay, and I think this thing has a sign in to Arduino Cloud. Let me just go to that and say sign in. Okay, it does have the sign in. I think I'll make a separate video on how to do this. Let's go back to the Arduino 18 new version. Debug, okay. There's a lot of features that the old Arduino IDE doesn't have. This is great, I would say. And also which board you have selected, which it does say that. Unfortunately, I did not plug in any currently, that is. I'll give it a test next time, I think. Okay, guys, if you didn't like this video on checking the differences between the old Arduino and the new Arduino, and how to install the new version of Arduino IDE. Please do like, share, and subscribe. I will be making another two more videos based on the new Arduino IDE 2.0 new version. I'll be exploring the different files, different formats, and others that the new Arduino IDE 2.0 is offering for us. If you guys really like this video, please do like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. And I'll see you next time. Bye.